Squarespace tutorial for beginners. Build your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can build your first website using Squarespace. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing first, you need to visit the website, which is squarespace.com, and this is the main homepage of Squarespace. So to get started, just click here, Get Started, and it will redirect you to this page where you can choose a template for your website. So for example, over here, I will choose to create a portfolio website, but it will depend on you. You can also create a membership or an online store if you like to, a blogging website. And then over here, you have different templates to choose from to start your website design. So here, just choose a template here that you like to start with. So let me just go ahead and scroll down here to look for a good template that I can use. So for example, I will be choosing this Quincy. So let me just go ahead and click Preview Quincy here. All right, so this is now the Quincy templates. And as you can see here, we only have few information here, and that's okay because we can add more section here and more elements inside our website once we are in our Squarespace editor page. So I will just go ahead and click here, start with this design. Will be redirected to create your account here. So you can just create an account using your Google account, or you can make use of different emails. So I will just go ahead and continue with Google because this is more easier for me. So I will just go ahead and create an account and log in to Squarespace. So just give me a moment. So here's our home dashboard inside the Squarespace. So we have here, let me just close this one. I don't like that tutorial. So for now, let's go to edit here, and it will redirect us to our editor page. Here inside the Squarespace, their editor page change, and there's a lot of changes here, and they have added advanced feature. So with their new features, we can now layer different sections. For example, we have this title section over here, and also we have the button section here. And what I am talking about layering is that you can drag this one and add this one on top of your text. As you can see, you can do this. So let me just go ahead and move this one. And also, as you notice, there is a grid here that will show up every time you move your elements or your section. So this grid that you can see here, this will be your guide to make sure that all your sections or elements has been added in the right place, or it's in the center of your website. When I let go of my mouse, the grid will be also disappear. But if you want to show that grid, you can just press the Ctrl G from your keyboard, and this grid will show up always. And if you don't like it, then just click the Ctrl G again and it will disappear. So here you can edit this text. Just click this one and you have this pin icon here, and you can edit this text here like the background of your text. So here you can add some background for your text just like that. And also here we can add some block. So you can, by the way, add some block inside this section over here. We have the add block. And also you can add some block from this second section. So let me just go ahead and click add. And here you have different blocks here that you can add, like the text, button, form, newsletter, code, image, video, audio. So for example, I will be adding some image here. All right, so you can add some image here, or also you can drag this one and add it down here if you like to. Let me just go ahead and add this one over here. And also I can adjust this one. All right. Okay, so I can add some photo here. So this add icon, you can upload your file or you can select from your library. So let me just go ahead and go to my library. And here you can see all your photos or all your videos that you uploaded here inside your My Library. But if you also need to get free images, then you can find it here. And you can search for images here. For example, let me search for photography. And all the images that we have here are from Unsplash and it's free to use. All right, so let me just make use of this one here. So now we have this image and it's still uploading. All right, and we can also adjust the size of our image over here, something like that. And as you can see here, some of our elements overlap to each other and it doesn't affect because as I mentioned earlier, that right now with a new feature, you can layer different elements or sections to each other. Like Photoshop, you can put some elements on top of the other elements. And when you click on this grid, you have this edit section and you can adjust your grid here. And also you can add your background image over here and also change the color of your background. So for example, I will change it to black. And no worries guys, when you enable this grid will not show up in your real website. This only visible inside your editor page. And also you have your site design here to easily change everything. So when you click this site style, you can also change the font of the text here. You can select different font styles here. So you have the sans serif, the serif, and the mix. Okay, let's go back. I can also change the color of the text here. I can also add some animation. So for example, this one, fade. And as you can see here, let me just go ahead and make use of the scale. All right, so let me just go ahead and save this one. So now let's go ahead and add some pages. So these are the 3 pages that we currently have. So just go to pages and you can add some pages here. You can either add some blank page, page layout, scheduling, blog, store, portfolio, event, and more. So let's go ahead and add store, for example. And you have a templates here. Let me choose this one. All right, so here is the new page. And you can also change the setting here of your store page. As you can see here, you can edit the product here that has been added and also the price. It's up to you. And you can also add some product here. So here you can also easily drag this one over here. So that's how you can organize your menu from your home page. And you also have your commerce here. This is for the e-commerce website. So if you are creating an online e-commerce store, then you need to make use of these commerce features so that you can add the orders and also the payment getaway and also the checkout. And here inside the marketing is where you can create your email campaigns, your SEO, location management, promotional pop-up inside your website, and also add some Facebook pixel to your website. And here we can go to our settings to customize our domain. So as you can see here, our domain is celery alligator. And we can change that one over here under settings. Just go to domains. And here you can purchase your own domain to remove this extension squarespace.com from your website domain name. So here we have our domain name and we can rename this one. So let's just go ahead and delete this and we can enter the name of our website here. And as you can see here, our website domain updated and the name of our website is now changed. So that's how you can change the domain name of your website. And as you can see here with the new editor, your website will be automatically published. So as you can see here, our website is now published. So I will go ahead and visit our website. So I will just go ahead and enter the website here. So this is now our website. So as you can see here, this is the website that we just created today. It's so simple and you can click the about and it will redirect you to the new page. All right, so I guess that's all for today's video. I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below and thank you so much for watching.